Crocodile Farm. Ito pala yung Crocodile Farm sa Palawan.
There's a turtle. There's a turtle shell. Oh, it's not.
Merkulis yun alis dito.
Ready na yung buhaya.
Oh, that's an alligator. Wait, there's an animal here.
Huh?
There's an animal here.
Doon sa unahan ang napakalaki.
Mommy, there's an animal.
Ito, laki.
Wow, I Simon, help!
Wild pig. Ito pala yung buhaya. Ito pala yung buhaya. Wild pig. Ito, sarap. Bundukan. Dito tayo sa bundok ng Palawan sa Wild Crocodile Farm. No, may alimukon.
O, kalapate.
Alimukon yan. Oh, laki no? Laki ng ibon no?
Hindi pa ako nakapag-picture doon sa buhay mo. Laki.
Oh, look at the bird.
Pusa.
Musang yan. Oh. Wild cat.
Sarap yan.
Sarap yan.
Oo.
Mag-asawa.
Raccoon! Look at the raccoon. Oh no, it's not.
Bear cat.
Bear cat.
Ang tingin siya.
This is my. He has his friend. Yeah. Oh, they can climb.
Saan yung nga?
It's a bear cat. It's a bear cat. Oh, yeah, they climb it. Look at that. Like it.
Oh, alamin.
Playing. Then it's playing with it. Oh, they have a friend.
Ito, dito pala tayo sa gilid. Oh. Dito pala tayo. Okay. Part 1.